Blustery was the name of the game today. Tomorrow morning, it's brisk. We're going to wake up to a very cold Friday morning before the chance of rain and snow returns to the region next week. Looks like late Monday into Tuesday is when that happens. But for now, let's talk that blustery wind because it is working towards something. Right now, the storm itself moves through. We talked about otters in Milwaukee. Enjoying some of that snow. Our cold comes from that same storm, or the backside of the cold front associated with that Alberta clipper. Now, all of this cold air pushing in, or all of this northeasterly wind, is bringing in a colder air mass. So today, we were actually kind of warm. Wind kept us warm. It stirs up the atmosphere and keeps us from cooling too much. However, wind chill values, that's a completely different story. Wind continues to die down this evening. By tomorrow morning, we are waking up to cold temperatures, cold, down in the low teens or close to 10 degrees. You're in Pullman, Moscow, you're kind of in that 17-ish range, but elsewhere, it is just downright frigid. By the time we get into the weekend, not much of a change, and as we head back into a ridge of high pressure, it looks like we are going to be back in that stagnant air pattern and likely dealing with some air quality issues. That's both Saturday and Sunday as temperatures fall back into the low teens at night and then mid-30s each afternoon. So all in all, not much of a change over the weekend. But as we get into next week, that's when we see those big changes in the overall weather pattern. That's a big push of moisture that arrives Monday night into Tuesday morning. I think Monday we'll see that snow falling over the mountains. I think we might initially start to see some snow here in Spokane, and then all bets are off. It switches over to rain, and we are talking a lot of it. What we don't know is how much snow we're going to get, when it exactly starts, how long it lasts before it switches over to rain, how much rain we're going to get, how long this weather pattern sticks around. There are a lot of unknowns, and the reason we have so many unknowns is because each model run changes all of those details. What we do know is that it is going to happen. So the next few days, cold, stagnant, staying that way. Monday we start warming as clouds build. Tuesday, snow turns to rain and rain through Thanksgiving.